Today, I'm unboxing two upcoming Honor smartphones, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air and the Honor Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design. I've been especially excited about the Magic 8 Pro Air because it's a compact flagship, and honestly, it's even smaller and slimmer than the iPhone Air, which I already really like. So let's kick things off with the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air because I absolutely love this one. The moment I picked it up, I was sold. It feels unbelievably light and thin with a 6.31-inch display, just 6.1 millimeters thickness, and a weight of only 155 grams. Despite that slim body, it still uses a metal frame and packs 3 cameras that are clearly flagship grade. Even more impressive is the battery, which comes in at over 5,000 mAh, seriously amazing for a phone this size. It's thinner and smaller than the iPhone Air, yet it manages to fit in even more high-end features. And here's the most important part. Unlike the iPhone Air, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air includes a SIM card slot, which makes it far more practical for most users. It really feels like the idea that Android Air phones are defined by Honor alone isn't an exaggeration. This phone is perfect if you love compact devices or simply prefer smaller designs. It's light, slim, and easy to use with one hand, which makes everyday use effortless. Design-wise, it follows a similar style to the Honor 500 Pro, but the Air separates the main camera from the other two, creating a distinctive exclamation mark layout that really stands out. The color I have is called Fairy, and it honestly lives up to the name. The soft purple tone looks light, elegant, and refined, while the frosted back helps reduce fingerprints. Overall, I can easily see the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air becoming my main phone for a long time. I've always had a soft spot for small screen flagships, and this one being so thin and lightweight just makes me love it even more. Now, switching over to the other device, the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design feels completely different in comparison. This one feels much more substantial in the hand. My unit comes in the Moonstone color, inspired by Porsche's custom paint finishes. It's a Moonstone-inspired light purple with a rich, premium texture. The back panel has a slightly raised design that resembles the hood of a sports car, with a textured section in the center that really enhances its luxury vibe. At the same time, the back feels smooth and comfortable to touch, which I think a lot of people will appreciate. So between these two upcoming Honor phones, which one do you like more? Personally, I'm leaning toward the Pro Air because this ultra-thin, lightweight little phone is just incredibly comfortable to use. But how do these two devices actually perform in everyday use? Make sure you stay tuned for my full in-depth review coming soon. That's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.